Hey guys, we are on the bench today with this Edge Insight CS2 monitor. We're going to do a quick unboxing and break down all the features for you to give you a rundown of what you get and what it does. So let's just jump right into it. All right, and if we slide the sleeve off and pop open the box itself, and Edge does a pretty good job with their packaging. Everything's usually neat and tidy. The first thing we've got on the top is a pamphlet here, and when you pop this open, you're gonna see a couple different things. There's some Edge stickers right there, some other basic info, as well as the tuning guide and product guide. And then obviously we have the actual Insight itself here. And this is kind of a neat little device. It's obviously very small and handheld, which makes it really portable and doesn't get in the way. We'll go obviously into that in more detail in a minute. Get the foam out of the way. We've got another layer of packaging here, and we'll pop this little box open. So inside of this, we have got a suction cup mount, and that obviously you can stick to your window, and it's gonna allow you to just mount this somewhere convenient where you can look at it as you're driving. Then in the bottom, we've got two packs of cables. This first one is an OBD2 connector that's gonna link to the device, and that's what's actually gonna pull the info from your vehicle to display it. And we have a USB cable here that will connect it to your computer, and we'll go into some more detail on that in a little bit. The last thing at the very bottom is a couple zip ties, and these are basically just to button up the wiring if you want to do a little bit more of a permanent install and keep those wires from flapping around everywhere. So this is designed to be a vehicle monitor. It is not a tuner, so don't get this confused. It does have a lot of features and will do a lot of great things for your vehicle, but it's not gonna actually tune engine performance or mess with the transmission or anything like that. Right off the bat, you've got this little display that you'll control and navigate menus with on the side using these buttons, and basically Edge provides you the ability to put in a couple different gauges. You can set up what information you want to see, what colors you want those gauges to be, how you want that layout done, backgrounds, all those different things can be customized and set up to give you the exact information that you want to see to fit your application. So while all the live gauges and customization are really cool, that's only one part of the story with this Insight. The other part is that it does work as an actual data logging tool that's going to be pretty helpful in getting your vehicle running at peak efficiency. Obviously the live gauges and customization to get this all personalized and set up are very cool, but that's only one part of the story. The other half is that this is going to work as sort of a diagnostic tool. Basically, you'll be able to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, which are basically check engine lights that you might get for various issues on your vehicle. And you're going to be able to check that out without having to go down to the dealership or go to an auto parts store and have them try and run through the process with you. This is something where you can do all that diagnosis just in your driveway. On top of that, you can obviously data log and run live gauges with the vehicle as you're driving, and that's going to allow you to basically see what's going on and figure out any other smaller problems, or really just tweak your vehicle and understand what's happening as you drive it. So some other neat things to note with the CS2 is that on the back here you've got your HDMI plug-in, which is going to link to that OBD2 cable, and that's going to obviously allow for you to pull the information from your vehicle. But you've also got this USB on the side that I mentioned earlier. And why that comes in handy is with your USB cable here, you can connect this to your computer, and you're going to be able to download the newest software available to make sure that your monitor stays up to date. That's a pretty excellent feature to have because not all monitors on the market are going to offer that ability, and it adds some longevity to the product. So instead of just buying a monitor that might go out of date or feel used up within the course of a year, you're going to be able to get the newest software available and keep this running with your vehicle to really get the most out of it. One last final feature I want to note is that this is EAS compatible, and that's essentially Edge's little accessory plug-in system that they have, so you can add some different sensors or different utility to the tuner and pull up more parameters. While there's a lot of information there and it can be very vehicle specific, we'll have a different video that breaks that down, but it's just worth knowing that this is compatible with those systems, and that really adds a whole nother level of utility to this monitor. Overall, the Insight CS2 is an excellent option if you're looking for that way to run live gauges and do some diagnostics on your vehicle. And if you want to pick one of these up for your truck, you can head down the description below, click that link, it'll shoot you over to the site, and we will see you guys next time.